Welcome back, artistic family. Glad you guys are here. Anyone who is new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and your notification bell by the end of the video. So today, guys, what I'm doing is a wandering or traveling straight pour. Pretty well the same thing to me, a wandering and a traveling. I haven't done one in forever. I do love my straight pours, and it's nice to kind of just get back to basics and not be doing something where I'm experimenting or whatever, just kind of free flowing and let it loose. So I have another 8 by 20 inch canvas that I'm going to be pouring on today. And I have a gorgeous color palette, one I have not tried. And this is a new color, guys. It's called Poetic Plum, and it's by DecoArt Americana. Okay, I did put just a squirt of black in it, like literally a squirt, just to give it a little darker shade. And then here I have a Pebeo iridescent gold with a squirt of 24 karat gold by DecoArt metallics. And then I have a little bit of titanium white by Liquitex. I'm using Payne's gray, like a squirt or two. I'd probably say a large squirt, and mixed with phthalo blue. And then I have a thicker grade of my Artist Loft Soft Body Black and bronze. May seem like an odd color palette, but it's gonna work and it's gonna be beautiful. And I want the pops to happen with the gold and the plum for contrast. And of course, I am using a black base. is just gorgeous. First, let me just repeat, no silicone, no Floetrol, no satin enamels, okay? 100%, I am not kidding you here. Look at those gorgeous gems. So many different cell effects, so many different cool effects. Love this, super gorgeous. And look at those. I mean, guys, the pearl cells, you've seen what was on my work surface. They're gone now. They're right there, they're completely gone, but wow. So many different shapes and variations and cells. I love it. Absolutely gorgeous. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, I will link my playlist, Straight Pour playlist, for you to take a look. Definitely like, share, subscribe. Stay tuned for the quick close-up, and I'll see you all in the next pour.